Hi, good morning everyone. This is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And today, in our Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning lecture series, we are going to discuss about the topic recurrent neural network. Topic is comes under the unit number 5, that is deep learning. So come, let's get into the topic. So what is actually a recurrent neural network? So the recurrent neural network, that is simply called as RNN, is a type of neural network where the output from the previous step is fed as an input to the current step. In traditional neural network, all the inputs and the outputs are independent of each other. Still, in cases when it is required to predict the next word of the sentence, the previous words are required, and hence there is a need to remember the previous word. Thus, NN came into existence which solved this issue with the help of hidden layer. The main and most important feature of RNN is its hidden state, which remembers some information about the sequence. The state is also referred as a memory state since it remembers the previous input to the network. So this is a very, very important one. It uses the same parameter for each input as it performs the same task on all the input or hidden layers to produce the output. This reduces the complexity of the parameter unlike other neural networks. So this is the some structure how the recurrent neural networks are functioning. Here it is L, W, U, and H. So this is one network and which unfolds to the other networks like HT minus 1, HT, and HT plus 1. And how RNN differs from feed-forward neural network. Artificial neural networks that do not have looping nodes are called feed-forward neural networks because all information is only passed forward. This kind of a neural network is also referred as a multi-layer neural network. Information moves from the input layer to the output layer. If any hidden layer are present unidirectionally, it is in a feed-forward neural network. These networks are appropriate for image classification tasks, for example, where input and output are independent. Nevertheless, their inability to retain previous input renders them less useful for sequential data analysis. So let's see the classroom activity. So we have three triangles there. For two triangles, they have given with some numbers 4, 22, 6, and 12, and another triangle 8, 22, 11, 3. And there is one more triangle. We'll have inside the triangle, we have a question mark. So we have to find out the answer, appropriate answer from the given numbers for the other triangles. So you just team up with your member classmates and find out the appropriate answers. Let us resume the session and how RNN differs from a feed-forward network. That is, here in the first image, it is a recurrent neural network, and the second image is feed-forward neural network. So from that you can see here recurrent neural network which studies the hidden layer again. But here only the feed forward means the input layer, and the input layer passes the information to the hidden layer, and hidden layer to the output. From output to hidden layer is the difference in the recurrent neural network. So the fundamental processing unit in a recurrent neural network RNN is a recurrent unit which is not explicitly called a recurrent neuron. This unit has the unique ability to maintain a hidden state, allowing the network to capture sequential dependence by remembering previous input while processing. Short-term memory, that is LSTM, and gated recurrent unit, that is GRU versions improve the RNN's ability to handle long-term dependencies. So let's take the assessment. So the first question is not only the assessment questions. The first question is what is RNN? That is recurrent neural network. So what are the advantages of RNN? So here you can write minimum 4 advantages and list the some real-time applications of RNN. Fourth question. Then fourth question is list the drawbacks of RNN. Next one, list the difference between RNN and feed-forward neural networks. 5 questions, take up the assessment and submit. So, and the next session, we will see the next topic in the fifth unit. Thank you.